Right, here it is, May 11, 2022. I'm down here at the Civic Lawn. See here in the lagoon, they've been doing some cutting activity. So the jackhammering they were doing yesterday is it looks like they're cutting pathways up to the areas here where they may lay new jets for the fountains is what I'm thinking here. So that's what we got going on here. Also, I'm doing some testing today. I'm pairing the I'm not going to be able to get much in here. This is what we got going on here in the West Pole. The 29th week of major construction. It's panning out across the Civic Lawn here. Back over here, they've laid some new concrete form, cutting another sidewalk through there. So let me switch over to my telephoto lens. Right here I am on my telephoto lens here, shooting down here into the lagoon. See what these guys are doing down here. Pan back around here. Doing some digging back over here by the library. This is what we got going on down here. Again, it's just an experimental day to some degree. Trying out some new stuff with the Zhiyun 5 and the FiLMiC Pro app working together. I'm going to finish this up here. I'm going to move on around and shoot some over at the East Bowl here. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl now. Looks like they might be putting more storm drains down over here or something. I see a big storm drain section of pipe back out here. Pan around this way. You can see it back over here. So maybe putting some more storm drains down here. Shooting back up here. Across the way, doing some backhoe work back over there, but the East Bowl is fairly quiet right now. So again, as I was trying to say, back over there around the jackhammering, this is somewhat of an experimental day. I went ahead and paired the iPhone with the FiLMiC Pro to the Zhiyun Smooth 5, so now I can control FiLMiC Pro from the panel of the controls on the Zhiyun Smooth 5. So that'll give me a little bit more finesse control. I can start and stop recording from the gimbal, whatnot. Change lenses fairly quickly if I have to. So See how that works today. This will just be sort of a short experimental shoot today. See what's going on in general. Time is now 1:11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so I'm out here in the middle of the day for a change. It's not really that hot today. A little bit cloudy, and I think the temperature is probably around maybe 85 or so. That's what I'm thinking here. Feels kind of pleasant. So I'm going to shoot just a little bit here. Then I'm going to move on around. Could walk on around by the library there. It's a little bit of a hike. Might walk over there. Haven't been over there in a while, so maybe I'll hike over by the library and shoot by the library steps over there. All right. Right here I am down at 75th Street construction entrance of the East Bowl. Just gonna shoot a little bit here. But it does look like they're doing more storm drain work or something here. Part of the whole French drain setup that they use to help direct water off property during heavy rain events. That's just what we got going on down here. All right, here I am down by the library steps. A little bit of a hike to get over here. See, they have brought in, looks like gravel is what they've been bringing in that big truck right here. I see the pile in front of me. So maybe for storm drains or some kind of work there. Can't really see a whole lot from here, but I'll pan around a little bit. Back over here, doing some digging. So that's what we can see from down here. So we can see I cross this civic lawn here. Doing more concrete form work out there. Gonna weave some more sidewalks through there is what it looks like. So I'm not gonna do much here. I can't really see much from right here. Kind of doing some test shooting today. So I'm gonna finish this up here and move on around to the west end. I think will be my goal here. One thing I gotta watch with this Zhiyun 5 is this big focus wheel on the side is kind of a pain. I wish that wasn't there at all, but whatever. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the, well, here I am still at the library steps. Down below us here, I believe it's visible. So I'm pointing in the right direction. You can see they made a little concrete cap down inside this ramp area for some purpose. That probably sealed off that drain. There was a drain there, I believe. It looks like they've sealed that off. And they haven't really done much with the ramp itself. Like the site supervisor told me, he wants to keep this ramp open. He wants to keep this ramp open for just till the end of the project. This will be the last thing completed, so that there'll be at least one entrance into the ramp that won't be into the site that won't be blocked. This ramp will be it. So alrighty, just making a little mention of this. All right, now I'm going to move on around to the West Paseo. All right, here I am down at the West Paseo. Time is now 1:45 p.m. Kind of hard to even see the iPhone screen now. I can't see shit on it. I don't know what's going on with it. Let's see what I can see down here just to film anyway. Should be seeing something on the screen. Looks like it's filming something, but I can't see what it is. Yeah, it's kind of a... See over here, they're creating some more concrete forms, if this is even showing up. Not sure. They are making some more forms down here. Actually, I'm going to stop this for a second and check, because I cannot see anything on this iPhone screen at all at the moment. Alright. Alrighty. Apparently the iPhone is functioning and I can film with it, but I cannot see what I'm filming at all. Here in the bright sun, it doesn't really pay to come down here. I don't think at all. Let me go on up higher here. See what's going on. Probably gonna cut this short today. It's a bad idea to try to film in bright sunlight, I think. At least with the iPhone, the way it's working right now. It just looks like I can just barely see anything on the screen at all. Shoot back down this way into the West Paseo. It's a lot easier to film in the early morning when the light's not so bright. Go back out here, see what I can see. You see back over there, if this is showing up, and below the tree there you can see the sidewalk that they poured yesterday morning. They got some forms down here below me, right there. So something being formed up down through here, over here by the raised planter area, and also it's showing up back over here in front of the bathrooms. They've put some plumbing and stuff up. That's probably where sinks or sanitation stations will be, so you can wash your hands and stuff when you come out. So that's what I'm guessing there. But more concrete work form going down through here. Looks like they got all their little trees mostly planted. So hopefully this is showing up and I'm not just down here talking to myself. We'll see. I'm going to just finish this up here. Kind of hot. I'm getting thirsty. Can't really even tell when I'm filming here, but hopefully I'm getting to something. Alrighty. Let's call this good. Wrap it up for today. It was kind of an experimental day anyway. See if I didn't mess up my focus. That's the bad thing about here with this wheel. I can't see the screen. I can't see what's going on. I can't tell if I'm in focus. So might be easier to not pair it up with the gimbal. So anyway, I'm gonna finish this up here. Go home, see what I got, and see how this experiment went. Alrighty.